Okay, hello. I'm going to try to use Screencastomatic again. I tried to use Vimeo. You can see up here in my little area here the work I've been doing to figure out Vimeo, but I can't get it to work on my Chrome for some reason, and I have finally decided that I'm going to go back to Screencastomatic because I was successful with that earlier. I was wanting to compare and contrast the two, so I'm going to keep working on troubleshooting Vimeo. But first I'm going to try to show you how I understand recording from the editor. And so you can see here the arrow that allows you to find the buttons that you need. And I can use my fun little thing here to draw around these right here. This is for audio, and this is for video, and this is for audio right here. And so I am going to show you how to create a short video where you can hear my voice. And so I can click on this, and it will pop up, and I will allow it to use my camera and my microphone. And I'm going to you can see me right there. There I am. And I think I press on this record button here. And I can start recording, and I can tell you that this is Auburn, Alabama, and it is 10 in the morning. And the weather today is cold, but lovely. And then I can stop recording. And I'm going to see if that worked. And I can start recording, and I can tell you that this is Auburn, Alabama, and it is 10 in the morning, and the weather today is cold, but lovely. And then I can stop recording. Okay, so now I will upload this video. I forgot I'm still recording here. So I'm going to upload this video. I'm going to choose a file. No, I'm not going to do that. I need to, okay, right. So there's my video. I'm going to upload this. And I am going to label my forum a audio and video demo using Screencastomatic. And then I'm going to post it to the forum. And it was successfully done. So proud of myself today. This is such a great experience. I appreciate getting the chance to try these things. There's so much to learn, and even just the fact that Vimeo didn't work, and I spent a good 30 minutes trying to make it work. You know, it helps me be ever more thoughtful about what I'm asking my students to do when each little task takes a lot of time to figure out and feel comfortable with. So thank you for this opportunity, and I'm going to stop recording. I hope I did it correctly.